Ay, alis ko tayo.
Do not step into water. Huwag kang mag-step. Saging-saging sa atin. Saging-saging. Tas yan. Plants. Ganito lang pala ito. Uy, may ibon. Ayun o, ibon.
Kaya nga, kinunan ko 13 piece.
Nakita niyo. Ibon lumilipad. Ang ibon lumilipad. Ang ibong lumilipad. Ang dami nito doon sa amin. Ganito siya. Madami yan. Ano ito? Ito yung nangangain ng insekto, no? Ayan siya. Ang liit lang siya. Walang malaki. Gusto ko yung malaki. Ito yung nangangain. Pag once nakapanta na sa dito sa ilalim, yan, hindi na makakalabas. Yan. Maliliit lang siya. Wala siyang malaki. Tapos,
kita nyo mag-request ko yung pagdalay nyo. May tao sa list.
what? Power.
Ano na kanor? May napapanyayan na
Lubat na agad mi. Ang dami dito sa ano? Sa Pilipinas. Wala naman. Malang ano. Sige na. Okay. Okay na.
Make sure you can see the screen, so if you cannot, shuffle a bit.
Anong ginagawa natin dito? So mag-drawing lang kami tayo, no? Gagayahin natin yata yun.
Tao ko mo, gano'n.
Ay, hindi na pwede yung
45 people.
45 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
When your group is...
Dalawa pa. Pwede yung mga ate. Yung napapel. Mag-drawing.
Doon pala ang gagawin kong pasok.
Ay, sige, ipasa mo doon.
Hindi pwede. Yung future coordination.
Ano, papasa ba?
Para makita doon yung
Gusto ko yung bayan. Nako, ang galing pa naman natin mag-drawing. O, pahingi nga ako din ng lapis. Lapis, uy. Gunting na.
babagsak ako dyan sa
Kaya tayo magsiguro.
Square. Spray, empty square.
If you don't have it, but you will put up your hand. It will get for you. And also this outline and the square paper of self scissors. Yeah, so the the first thing that you need to decide is whether you want this white frame or not. So if you don't want this white frame, it's like this. The whole picture will have color. If you want the frame, the first step you need to do is get the green tape and then tape around these 4 edges. I'll demonstrate to one with white frame. If you don't want the frame, you don't need to do anything. Okay, skip this step. If you want the white frame, then you use this green tape. It's also on your desk already. Take these 4 edges.
Dito sa okay.
If you want this white frame, do what I do.
Para pag inilagay mo sa frame, hindi na siya.
Ano ang dikitan
Once
eh?
you have take these 4 edges, you can take out this snake outline paper and then start cutting the snake out. Okay? I want a complete snake like this. Okay?
Mayroon ato.
Don't chop it small. We are not making snake soup.
Snake soup, picture frame.
So you can cut out the snake and the flower.
Parang ang
This thing.
nawala yung
It is also an eraser. Then you can make it into anything.
konti lang kasi nilagay ko.
This one pointy to stick.
Ito yung ginawa ko. yung gawa nila.
Ay, kalat natin.
Okay. Ching! Cute naman. Cute din sa kanya, oh. Ito yung pinunta namin dito.
Again, you can even bring your finger down and massage your eyes, the corner of the eyes, inner to outer, the temple, the forehead, right, the jaw, behind your ears. That's where all the tension is. Yeah, and give yourself a hug, like rub your shoulder, give yourself love, like self-love, right? Your leg, your knee, I love you, even though you hurt. Right? Yeah. Okay. Good. Kneel back and open up your chest, look up. When you exhale, chin towards your collarbone, round your back. Then push your palm slightly away from the floor, and then bring your tailbone towards the floor. And inhale again, tailbone up. You can feel like your spine is doing an S shape or a U shape. And then exhale, chin towards the collarbone, round your back. Inhale, tailbone up, sink down your belly towards the floor, chest up, look up. Exhale, round the back. Nice. Okay, now come back to the middle, look to the front. And bring your left arm in front of your face, okay? Just right in the middle. And then lift up your right arm up. Oh, I know. Painful. Look up. Okay, I know, okay. If you feel any tension, just exhale slowly. Exhale. Don't hold on to the pain. And inhale one more time. And then exhale. Bring your right arm behind your left and place your right shoulder on the floor. Face on the floor. Lift up your left arm up. A little bit of twist. Knees still on the floor. Nice. I know it's painful. Focus. Be patient. Love your body. Love the pain. Because feel the tension on your body, right? Okay, now exhale slowly. Push yourself up. Both palms on the floor. Like simple stretches, you really feel it, huh? Okay, now right hand in front of your face now. Lift up the left arm, okay? You don't have to go all the way. Just here is okay. 45 degrees. If you like, you can twist a little bit more. Maybe slowly inhale and see you can lift up your arms like 90 degrees. Okay, be silent, focus. Nice. This side is better, huh? Exhale, bring your left arm behind your right. Left shoulder on the floor, head on the floor, lift up your right arms. Look up to the sun. Nice. Remember to breathe. Okay, now place the palms back. Bring yourself up again. Okay, now